Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic logarithms. So we will discuss one by one. Let's start. See, in this first question, we have to find the value of x which satisfies the given relation. Okay. So using properties of logarithm, we have to find the value of x. So what is the given relation? Log of 3 with base 10 plus log of 4x plus 1 with base 10 equal to log of x plus 1 with base 10, and 1 can be written as log of 10 with base 10. Now, as we know, log x plus log y equal to log of x into y. So, we can write this as log of 3 into 4x plus 1 with base 10 is equal to log of x plus 1 into 10 with base 10. Okay. Now we will take anti-log both sides, then we will get thrice of 4x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 into 10. So we have to find the value of x. So it will be equal to 12x plus 3 equal to 10x plus 10. So we will get twice of x equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. So x will be equal to 7 by 2. Our answer will be option number A. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem we have to find the value of k, and it is given log of p with base a equal to 1 by 2, log of c with base b equal to 1 by 3, and log of a with base b equal to k by 5. Okay, so how we can find the value of k? See, log of b with base a is given as 1 by 2, and by property of logarithm, okay, we know log of b with base a can be written as log of b by log of a, and this will be equal to 1 by 2. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, log of c with base b equal to 1 by 3, and this can also be written as log of c by log of b equal to 1 by 3. This is our equation number 2. And third equation we will get as log of a with base c equal to k by 5, and this can be written as log of a divided by log of c equal to k by 5. Now we have three equations. If we multiply equation 1, 2, 3, that is, we need to multiply LHS of 1, 2, 3, and the product will be equal to product of RHS of 1, 2, 3. Okay. Therefore, we will get log of B by log of A into log of C by log of B into log of A by log of C, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into k by 5. Okay. Now if you see LHS, log C and log C will get cancelled out. Similarly, log P and log B will get cancelled out, and log A and log A will get cancelled out, and the product will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1, and from this we will get k equal to 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, we have to find the relationship between x and y if half of log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y by 2. So how we can solve this problem? See, half of log x plus log y it is equal to log of x plus y divided by 2, and this can be, as we know by property of log, that log x plus log y will be equal to log of x into y, so it will be half of log x into y equal to log of x plus y by 2. Now, as we know, log of a to the power x, it is equal to x log a. Okay, so this half is, it will go into the power, so log of xy to the power 1 by 2, and this is equal to log of x plus y by 2. So taking anti-log both sides, we will get xy to the power half equal to log of x plus y by 2. So sorry, this log will go out because we have taken anti-log. Now this will be equal to this, squaring both sides, we will get xy equal to x square plus 4 plus, sorry, this is y plus y square, x square plus y square plus twice of xy divided by 4. So after cross multiplication and rearranging, we will get x square plus y square plus twice of xy minus 4xy equal to 0, or this will be equal to x square plus y square minus twice of xy equal to 0. Okay, and this is nothing but x minus y whole square, it is equal to 0, therefore x should be equal to y. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem we have to find the relationship between A and B, and one relation is given as log of A by B plus log of B by A equal to log of A plus B. So as we know, log x plus log y equal to log of x into y, so this can be written as log of A by B into B by A, and this is equal to log of A plus B. Okay, so A will get cancelled out, B will get cancelled out, and we will get log of 1 equal to log of A plus B. So taking anti-log both sides, we will get A plus B equal to 1. Okay, so our answer will be option number A. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, we have to find the value of the given expression. So given expression can be written as given expression, it is equal to 1 by log of BC with base A, and 1 can be written as log of A, and we will take same base as base of BC. Okay, so this will A. Similarly, second term can be written as 1 by log of CA with base B plus log of B with base B, and third term can be written as 1 by log of AB with base C plus log of C with base C. Okay, now using property of log, we can write, as the base is same, so log x plus log y equal to log xy. So it can be written as log of A, B, C with base A, and second term will become log of A, B, C, but base will be B, and third term will be log of A, B, C with base C. Okay, now as by property of log, we know 1 by C. What property of log says? Log of AX. Okay, this can be written as 1 by log of A with base x. Okay, so base will be interchanged when we take denominators to the numerator. So this can be written as log of a, but base will be abc. Sorry, it will be abc. Log of a with base a b c. Similarly, second term will be log of b with base a, b, c. And third term will be log of c with base a, b, and c. Now we can see all the three terms have same base, so we can multiply a, b, and c using property of log. So it will be log of a, b, c, and base will also be a, b, c. So it will be equal to 1. Okay. So our answer will be option number A. Okay, friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on the topic logarithms. Okay. Thank you.